Hello my friends! Thanks so much for stopping by. My name is April and this is my If Only April channel. My personal space where I share simple DIY, handmade decor and a lot of other fun cool projects. If you're new here, consider subscribing. It's really fun in here. Ooh. Don't forget to hit that bell button to get notifications where I post my new videos. Today's video, as you can see, is my grand project that I've been planning to do for so long, and it is garage organization. I decided to make a series out of it, and it's gonna be called Complete Garage Makeover. So this garage serves me as my workshop and also as a storage for the things that we don't really use every day, like holiday decor. And to start our garage makeover, I'm gonna tackle first the storage part of the garage. So as you can see here, I already have this 8 feet long shelf that I built last summer using Anna White's plans. I'm gonna give you the link for that below. So today I'm planning to make another set of shelves on that back wall. Okay, less talking, more doing. Let's just do it. Yeah, I think I was so enthusiastic. Let's do it! After you clean the access to the place where your shelf will be, you need to identify what kind of wall it is. If it's a drywall, then you'll have probably different screws and a different set of tools, but I had cinder blocks and it required special screws. So here's like how the cinder block looks like and where you need to position the screws. Then you need to measure where the screws will go, where your shelves will be. You need to pre-drill the holes for where the screws will go later. If you have another set of hands, that would be very helpful because sometimes it gets a bit tricky to do it by yourself and hold both sides. I asked my husband to come over and help me to hold the plank while I'm doing this. It is a relatively easy job. There is nothing too complicated. It's just to work with the cinder blocks. I found a bit more complicated than with the drywall. So here's the fun part about those shelves. After you put 3 planks to the wall and you basically measure where your shelves will go, you need to make an exact copy of the same frame and just like loosely attach it with the nails so you can attach it later. Then you need to measure the sides, that's where the legs will go. You cut the legs to size and then attach them with the screws to your replica, to your second frame. Then you need to undo the screws from the frame and you've got yourself a matching frame! How awesome is that? So why I absolutely love this shelf plan is because, check it out, it's like so easily you make a second frame. Ta-da! And then we just need to put this the cleats in between and we're done. Then you need to cut the cleats. Mine is 16 inches each. I just found out that I don't have the right size of the pocket hole screws, and yeah, that's so sad because I was so looking forward to finish today, but now I have to go to the store and get the screws, you know. But I went ahead and I already made pocket holes for all the clips, you know, like those things in between the frames, and yeah, here they are. So now I just need to go and buy the pocket hole screws, and then yeah, to finish this project. But it's almost there, almost there. And you're done with your shelf! So much for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please make sure to do so and hit the notification bell button so you receive the notification every time I post a new video. I think those shelves turned out divine, if you ask me, because they're super functional, they're super cheap, they cost only $40 in lumber, and they just solve the problem of too much stuff and too much clutter that all over the place. At least now it's all tackled in and it's in the same spot. I call this a success. To make your life easier, let me give you another tip. So when you put all this clutter away in the containers, choose the clear containers, because yeah, they like the best, because you can totally see what's inside, and it becomes so much easier to find things, you know, like that you're looking for. But on top of that, what is really nice to do, to use tags. I already showed you in one of the videos, this Brother tag machine is like my favorite machine ever. It makes the cutest little signs and you always know what is where. I really hope that this video inspired you to go to your garage or to your storage room and just make some shelves and get things organized. And please stay tuned, because next week we're gonna tackle the second part of my garage, which is like all the tools that I have and all the saws and everything, and we're gonna build the ultimate tool bench. Oh my god, this is so exciting! And finally, my miter saw gonna have a place to be. If you remember, you know, like all this time I've been using it on the floor and it's so not convenient. I mean, I really hope that I'm gonna finish it this week, and yes, I'll see you then. See you next week. Bye! I mean, you know. Yeah, I know. My husband never does. Seriously, you know, like, isn't that hard to find those... to find anything in the clear containers? Ask him for the reference. Anyways, so... I think I'll leave it for another day. Please don't kill me. Just kidding!